Gusto ko makita yung taas ng talon niya ulit eh.
Which is so hard to block. Oh, there is a nice combination by Panaga and Carlos as they sealed that.
Parang welcome home.
Oh, gandang name. Ano?
Yeah.
This is the start.
Oh, that was a nice set.
And a familiar move. And parang Spikers, alam niyo, pagka hindi maganda yung solid connection with the ball, parang pangit. In the meantime, this set, here's Carlos. Gets a point, and that should be good for her confidence.
She expressed something even bigger. Creamline is finally complete with Tots Carlos and Alyssa Valdez back in action this season. She believes the team's true strength lies in having everyone healthy and ready to compete.
It spills over, sabi mo nga.
Oo nga,
Biglang
fresh.
yung aura is, I'm so happy. And the attack, the drop. In the air we go. That is into the back row. Pons is right there. Alyssa says hello to everybody. Here comes the set. Sing. Second longest rally. Top angle. Nowhere to go for Alyssa.
Yes. Hindi pa uso TikTok nga.
Oh, hindi pa. In the meantime, back to action. Sing. Yes, gets it to bite and it's blocked away and out. Here we go. This serve in play. Negrito, I thought she'd gone through, and Bea loves it. Palain mo, no, ha? And but it was scary nung
Yes, that's
at the
scary.
moment when it happened.
Oh, scary magkabanggaan.
Siyempre, lalo na dyan. Ito si Sing gagawa ng paraan.
Free ball.
Pinataas. Alyssa in the back row. Negrito, Panaga. To beat Creamline, you have to bring your A game. Give them a few surprises to think about, really.
Immaculate nga sila.
Oo, sobra.
Diba?
Sobra. In the meantime, it's a check ball.
You know, recover ka, mag-therapy ka, mag-workout ka. Pero when it's game time, iba rin talaga.
Good point. Kasi you hesitate, yung approach mo, is it the same? It's different in practice, eh.
Yes.
In the meantime, Pons is parang libero. Carlos.
Yun nga yung isa sa mga weakness nila. Yung they have to really convert their attacks to points.
Yes. And it just can't be all attacks. But Alyssa Valdez.
She was a high school, skinny, lanky kid. Alam mo yan, hindi pa siya ganyan na phenom.
Okay.
Yeah. 11, that format for qualifying round. We will have that. And whoever wins the qualifying round will go into the quarterfinals. But don't worry, yung mga natalo sa qualifying round, we have the play-in tournament. Mapapanood nyo pa rin sila sa play-in tournament if ever. And of course, after quarterfinals, we have our semifinals and finals.
Don't you love that word, preliminary? I can't even say it.
Oo nga
Di ba?
It's a tongue twister.
Are also seated. This is an overall coach's decision. Coach Roger is trying something new and also posing a challenge to the rest of the Polar Spikers in terms of point contribution. Let's see the surprises Capital One has for us. Like what they said, new year, new team, back to set one.
Dati yung explosiveness
Yes, yun.
nung first
Exactly.
two niya, nakita mo agad eh. Pons. So that's a wicked shot. For the first time here today.
May Michelle Gubabaw pa sila.
Oo.
After Tots Carlos.
Parang kulang ng player eh. No?
Oo.
In the meantime, here's the set.
And Bonafel actually, 4-2.
Yes, is also there on the floor for the first time as Tolenada keeps it in play. The number two shot kept in play. Pons is loading up. Caught by Doromal. Sing fires away. Favorite spot. She gets it to go. Players. At siguro ang sarap na team. Naging team. Nag-aabot ba kayo
Yes,
niya?
roommates kami.
Gulo siguro niya. Okay ba?
Our rookie,
Nabutan.
Aliyah